Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Outlook OLM to MBOX. Search on Google Recovery Tools OLM Migrator. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your OLM files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing OLM file. Select OLM files. Check the file. All folder types option to save all the OLM file items. You can save contacts and calendars separately. You can save contacts and calendars separately. Click on MBOX. Select Destination folder. Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Converted MBOX file.